Mickey, come here. Come here. Come here, come on. There's a good boy, come on. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, good dog. Good dog. You got some more? Yeah? You got to walk though. Ready? Come here. Come here. You can do it. Come here. Come here, Mickey. Come here. Good boy. There we go. Good dog. Yeah, one more? I got one more bit for you. Yeah. Nice. It's the manky bits of meat that I don't want. You like them though. Come here. Mickey. Come here. Come here. I can't take you outside. I'm going to be laughing too hard. Oh. Poor little bugger, huh? Good boy. Good boy. Yeah. Should we give it a go? Give the neighbours a laugh. And say, what's that funny foreigner doing with that dog? Sounds about right, doesn't it? Yeah. You wanna go for a walk? I'd rather lick my fingers, wouldn't you? Come on then.